Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a quick one, but it's gonna be to the point. This is something I have personally been doing for a long time. I have been getting rid of my little peach fuzz and facial hair for a couple years now. I think I did a video a while ago with how I did things. It's still pretty similar, but I have some other tips to share with you guys, and just kind of like currently how I remove my facial hair, why I do it, and kind of what it does for you. So that's what we're going to be doing today. If this is the first time you're on my channel, what's up and welcome. My name is Kate, and I would love for you guys to click subscribe and join my YouTube family. It's 2018. If you're not a part of the XO fam, I don't know what you're doing. So if you guys want to know how I remove my facial hair and tips and tricks for you guys, if you want to do the same, then just keep watching. So you could use a traditional razor, but for most people that's going to be just a little bit too harsh on the skin. So what I prefer to use is one of these little battery operated ones. I got this one from Amazon. I will link it down below. But it's got a couple different head attachments. It's really easy to use. I think it just takes one AA. You just basically switch it on or off. There's one smaller attachment that you can use for your eyebrows, your nose, and then this one is like an eyebrow trimmer guard, so that was pretty handy too, and it all just came together. So basically what I'm going to do is go upwards. If you have really sensitive skin, I would recommend going downwards when you are shaving the peach fuzz off your face. Going against the grain of hair is obviously going to give you a closer shave, but if you go with the grain, it's going to just be a little bit more gentle on the face. So you are going to be like shocked at how much came off. Like, look at that. I hope I'm not like abnormally hairy. I don't know. I don't know really why I'm sharing this with you, but I'm sure it will help someone. So I'm doing this for the greater good. You can do this in just specific areas. I like to do it all over my face because along with taking off the unwanted hair, it also does help to kind of exfoliate your skin. So if you've got any little dry patches that are just like clinging on for dear life, I feel like this really helps to kind of slough those off. So it kind of gives you a nice clean canvas to work with. I also feel like when I am contouring, when I don't have that peach fuzz, it just looks so much smoother. So same goes for eyebrows. I kind of just very carefully, gosh, oh my gosh, it makes me so nervous every time I do this, but I just carefully go around my eyebrows to get any like little baby hairs that might be in the way. And then I popped on that smaller attachment to go through the center of my eyebrows. Again, very careful. Guess where we're going next? Right up in that nose, girl. So I just take that smaller attachment and kind of do like a little circle in my nose and do one of these just to get those extra little nose hairs off. I love this little tool. It works great. I love removing my facial hair because I feel like it gives me a really clean makeup application, but of course you don't have to do this. It's just if you want to, and I assume if you're watching this video you want to. So I hope you enjoyed. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.